your creative partner on the board. Instead of manually choosing tools, writing super specific prompts, and managing every step yourself, you can just describe what you want to make. The agent interprets the request, figures out the workflow, and starts creating. In this example, I'm starting with two blank sketches, one for a sleeveless top and one for a pair of jeans. I want to render both garments, create multiple views of the top, generate a model and scene, and then style the complete look on the model. Instead of working through each step individually, I'm going to give the agent the entire brief at once. Here's our agent. You can choose between the different agents and their different personalities. I'll enter the prompt. Use these two sketches to generate a sleeveless cotton light blue and white striped top and white barrel shaped jeans. I want multiple views of the top, side, left, and back. Then generate a brunette model with visible pores and freckles, full body shot, standing relaxed in a Mediterranean palazzo with It Girl vibes, wearing a black bathing suit. Then dress the model in the striped top, untucked, and the white barrel shaped jeans, paired with casual, clean white sneakers. This is a detailed request, but I'm writing it the way that I would brief another person. I'm telling the agent what I'm starting with, what I want it to create, and how I want the final result styled. Once I submit the instruction, the agent makes a plan. I can adjust or choose to run it. The agent starts to review my board, finds the two sketches, and begins building the workflow. While the agent works on that, I'm going to start a completely different workflow at the same time. This time, I want to find an image in my library and create several denim wash options. I've prompted, find the denim shorts in my library and recolor them into 5 different washes: light acid wash, gray distressed wash, black distressed wash, medium distressed wash, and coral distressed denim. I don't have to find the image and add it to the board first. The agent will search my library for the denim shorts, use that image as the input, and start creating the 5 washes. Now I have 2 completely different workflows running at the same time. I can follow each task directly from the board and see what's queued, what's currently working, and whether the agent needs anything from me. I can also close the agent panel and continue working on my board while both tasks run in the background. Let's take a look at the first workflow. The agent started by interpreting my sketches and creating the two garments I described: a sleeveless cotton top in a light blue and white stripe, and white barrel shaped jeans. Here, I can compare the results with my original sketches and review how the agent interpreted the silhouettes, colors, and fabrication. Because I also requested multiple views of the top, the agent created the left side and back views as part of the same workflow. So I can review the design from multiple angles without generating each view as a separate task. Next, the agent generates the model and the scene. I asked for a brunette model with visible pores and freckles, shown in a relaxed full body pose inside a Mediterranean palazzo. I also asked for it girl vibes and a black bathing suit to create a base for the final styling step. For the final step, the agent will dress the model in the striped top and white barrel shaped jeans, then complete the look with clean white sneakers. Keep in mind that I don't have to wait for these outputs. I can continue to work on the boards. From that one instruction, I now have rendered versions of both sketches, multiple views of the top, a model and scene, and the complete styled look. At the same time, the agent has completed my second workflow. It found the denim shorts in my library and created all 5 washes I requested: light acid wash, gray distressed wash, black distressed wash, medium distressed wash, and coral distressed denim. Now I can review and compare the full range side by side without tracking down the original image or creating each option one at a time. I described what I wanted to accomplish, and the agent managed both workflows simultaneously. What would normally take multiple tools, prompts, and individual steps started with just 2 creative briefs. That's the agent in Raspberry AI. Tell it where you want to go, and it gets the work moving so that you can keep creating.